Hello everyone. Okay, I don't know how to hands. It's very hard, but I will try to make a video tutorial how to do map2earn in this modern version of OVR over the reality app. So first for all, let's find here in home where we are. Try to have the satellite view activated so you can very easy get around where you are. I will use this path as an example. So we are in this path, as you see. So the map is check the name. It's pretty good for yourself, so then you don't make a mistake. So you go to map2earn here. Let's do that. You don't need a selfie stick as I have. It's just an additional. Skip training. I know what I'm doing actually. So we will adjust our position because we are looking towards up, not the left or right. So we are adjusting the position. Use that position. Then we will center on our matic cap here. Okay, and start mapping. It's very simple. So you now hang around this pyramid. Now I can have phone and the scan phone together. So perfect. This way you go around the pyramid. As you see, when the pyramid is totally green, you will get on the second phase of scanning. We will reach it right now when we finish this pyramid. Just one layer more. So this is phase 2. So what we do is trying to get as much as possible more information or metadata from the space. Okay, so let's try to do it. So as we see, what I must do is just do circles in the places. Instead of moving myself that much, I do circles. I move myself, do another circles, move myself, do more circles, and like that. Average good maps are made of between 500 and 1000 pictures. So the map just started, so that's why it's having 200 right now. So as you see, I'm moving just slowly and doing circles to get more faces of the hexagons, as you see in the floor. So slowly you're getting more of this metadata, and getting more these hexagonal shapes with triangles on emerald green. As you see, this one is full of information. So then we try to go slowly, doing circles. As you see, I have a average of half of the map, but with a very good score. That's meaning that the information is getting very well. So let's try to continue. Well, as you see, also the selfie stick with the stabilizer is a very useful tool. You should think about to get one if you want to really engage on map2earn. It's not necessary. It's not fully necessary, but it's a huge gap on help on the timing that it will take for you to make a map. Is really a lot of help. And this selfie stick actually is a selfie stick. I'm not using it as a selfie stick right now, just the stabilizer. So when is it selfie stick is really more help, even because you can make a bigger circle with your hand in just one position and get more information in just one circle rather than moving yourself and doing circles only. So it's a huge gap. Using or not using it, it's a huge help. So it's a big recommendation from myself. I improve a lot doing the map2earn and the mappings with the selfie stick. With the normal one, no needle stabilization. With the normal selfie stick is already a lot of help. So well, as you see, it's super easy. It's not that hard. So it's just hanging around in a place, moving yourself in circles, and that's it. It's not anymore. It's not any kind of magic or whatever else. I'm trying just to get more pictures. I'm closest to 900 in a while, so we will finish it on 1000. I don't want to make it very long, but basically it's this. After this we enter on the third phase, that is where we are choosing how to move our camera. So let's see if I can hunt a few more hexagons here. Let's see if we do this one. This is the first one, right? That's why it's like this. Perfect. So well, okay, this one is green also. Perfect. We have a huge green score. So 1000 pictures also is very good. So let's put stop. Here you put save. Sorry, I will put the phone in the pocket so you can see. And then we go here to edit mapping. On edit mapping we can edit the video of the result we will have. I have it here just because I put it there, the pyramid, the first pyramid, so it's very important. So then a basic edition I just do a scaling. I do smaller, pick one of the cameras, rotate the camera outside. So is the number 3, I go to camera number 1 and I rotate also outside, look, facing outside. So you have 2 cameras facing inside, 2 cameras facing outside, and that's it. It's a pretty good way to show the places. So that's it for now. Then what you have to do is just upload all, for example, when you are at home with the Wi-Fi, and that's everything. Hope this is a very help for everyone who wants to start to do map2earn. Give a like and comment. All your questions are welcome. Have a good day.